Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? This phone's a street, I be gassing her. Yeah, I'm a player. Yeah, she won't fuck with me. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, today's video is going to be my UNice Hair wand curl tutorial, and I'm also just going to give you all a little update for this hair and how I've been liking it after wearing it. I'm just going to go ahead and start off with my tutorial, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just tell you guys how I've liked the hair so far. So in today's video, I'm using this wand that I received from Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. This is their Sapphire Wand Curler. This also came with 11 other detachable heads, and they switch. They sent this to me, and I've used it all the time for anytime I want to put curls in my hair, and I really love this wand. And I'm also going to be using it in this video to get these magnificent loose wave patterns that y'all are seeing me with right now. So if you want to know how to get this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. In today's tutorial, all you're going to need is some heat protectant and some hairspray. Optional is some slick stick, or any type of hair wax, and some argan oil, or any type of oil that you want to put in your hair. I wouldn't recommend a very heavy oil, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with this Moroccan argan oil, and I only put a dime size amount, and I'm gonna take my hair from the bottom. This is honestly just as easy as watch and do, but basically all I do is divide my hair into sections, then I spray some heat protectant spray, then I spray some hairspray, comb my hair out, and then once I do that, I just go ahead and take my wand and just divide and conquer each section. I usually leave it for like 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and I'm only taking small pieces and just going along. A lot of times in this tutorial I had to go back and do the curls multiple times if it fell, but I just do that around my whole head, and I like to curl away from my face on each side. So after doing all of that with my curls, I'm just gonna comb them out with my hands. And voila. Beautiful waves. So yeah, if the curl is not like how you want it, just go back in and redo it. So if y'all are watching this video, then y'all know that this is going to be my initial review for this amazing hair that I received from UNice Hair. UNice Hair is honestly a really popular company. I've heard so many good things about them. And also I live in LA, and if you're someone that lives in LA, you probably know like at the Fox Hills Mall, they have like a whole store there. So I've heard a lot of things about UNice. UNice is a really big company and I was really glad to work with them. This time around, I got to review their hair. They sent me this amazing hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right in with the unboxing, specs, and then the pros and the cons. Like I said, I received this hair from UNice Hair. I received this hair a month ago. I know I'm kind of late to do this hair review, but anyway, as soon as I got the hair, I took it out of the package, and this hair also shipped really quickly. It came in 2 days. It came in this box. It's a really nice little Merry Christmas box. Inside of the box, the hair came inside of this bag, and then it was also wrapped in this netting, and this was inside of the wig. Then they also sent me some goodies. They sent me a scarf. They sent me an elastic band that can be attached onto the wig, which I chose not to attach on my wig. They sent me some lashes, and they sent me a nude wig cap, which is perfect for my skin tone. There's also a little card here. I didn't open this, but it says, "Here discovers the sense of beauty." And then they have just a little booklet. I think this is what you use if you want to return your hair and for whatever reason. Oh, and then they have their return policy on here as well, and their contact information. To get into the specs of this hair, this is their 13x6 lace frontal. It's 150% density. It's 24 inches and it's body wave. So this is where the 24 inches comes down to me. It comes down basically down to my hip. I am like 5'6", 5'7", so yeah, this hair is really bomb. Just to tell you a little bit of how I customized this hair, as soon as it came, I took it out of the package. After I took it out of the package, I went ahead and bleached my knots, tinted the lace, and customized the hairline a little bit more. The hair did come with baby hair on it. As y'all can see, I have customized my own baby hair. I've honestly had this unit in for like over a week, so my baby hair is not looking as fresh as it was when I first got it, but yeah, it came with baby hair, and all I did was just cut the baby hair shorter and just customize the hairline up a little bit. The unit was definitely pre-plucked, so I didn't have to customize it too much, but yeah, I did have to bleach it, customize it up a little bit more, and that's basically it. So far since I've had this hair in, I really haven't had any shedding or tangling, which is crazy. I would expect it to have shedded some. It only like shed when I was like customizing it, which of course I'm plucking at the hair, so that's the only time that I really got a lot of shedding. And also, one thing that I really wanted to note is that when the hair came, it was just super soft, and like ever since I've had the hair on, it's just been super soft. I washed it after I tinted the lace and bleached the knots. It was still super soft. And also the hair has a really nice natural state. I let it air dry after that, and then the next day I styled it. I have flat ironed it, and then I just decided to wand curl it today. I haven't really had this hair for too long, but I still like it a lot. It's really, really, really amazing. Like, I can see why so many people rave about UNice Hair, just because this hair is just such good quality. You can tell that it's such good quality, and for the exact wig that I'm wearing, I believe it's $240 or around that price, but I will have a promo or discount code in the description box below. I honestly have zero complaints about this hair. This hair has been nothing but life for me. Like, the lace was so easy to melt into my scalp. It looked so realistic. Like, I didn't have to do too much to it. And like, of course, it's a frontal, so it's very versatile. I could wear it up, I could wear it down, I could do a left I said a left part, I could do a side part, I could do a middle part. I decided to go with the middle part. I'm probably gonna reinstall this hair though. The hair looks amazing when it's flat ironed, and the hair looks amazing when it's curled. I've had this hair curled for like 2 hours now before I recorded this video, and it's just amazing. I wasn't going for really, like, you know, super duper curled curls. I was kind of going for like a more wavy look, but compared to like other hair companies' wigs that I have used my wand curlers for, the curls in this unit have probably stayed the best. Like, and of course I'm to expect that because it's body wave hair. I don't think I've had some hair that's actually been this great to style straight and curled. By the time I post this video, it might be too late to get this for someone special for the holidays, but if you do and you want to give them a late gift, then maybe you can do that as well. That's basically all I had to say about this hair. I really do love it a lot, and I'll definitely be reinstalling it, and I'm definitely open to working with UNice Hair again. Thank you, UNice Hair, for collaborating with me and sending me this unit. I love it so much. I hope y'all love it as well. If y'all like this video, please feel free to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, UNice Hair. I give this hair company a 10 out of 10. This is like one of my top hair vendors of 2019. So if y'all are looking for a company to get some really bomb hair, body wave hair, then I definitely recommend UNice Hair 100%. Like, this hair is so amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.